everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Nancy Ann. Today I am unboxing Karativa Jewelry. Hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're returning. I love my viewers and I'm just so glad you're here. So this is Karativa Jewelry. The company contacted me well over a month ago, asked if I would be interested in reviewing some of their jewelry. Of course I said yes. I love jewelry. Now, as everyone knows, I normally don't buy jewelry from companies because I have a daughter in the industry. But this actually is a fine jewelry. It's made with 925 silver. I confirmed with my daughter. That means that the silver used in this is at least, the jewelry is at least 92.5% pure sterling silver. She said the rest of it is an alloy, but this is like an industry standard, so it is a good quality silver. The stones in it are manufactured, and I believe they are along the lines of cubic zirconia. And when they sent me the email, they gave me several options to choose from, and I chose one that I felt like would be a match with a lot of things and be the most appealing to my viewers. They asked for my ring size, and they also make custom music boxes. So I just was excited to get this and try it, and I waited quite a while. And finally I wrote them and I said, if you're not sending it, would you mind telling me why? Because you know what, if there is something I am not doing right with my channel, I want to know what it was, if there's it is, and if there's a reason that companies are not wanting to send me merchandise to review for them, I need to know what that reason is so I can fix it. And they wrote me back and said, no, it's on its way. It's in Georgia right now. So I went to look at the tracking. It had come in from China. So this took a little trip. So be aware if you order from them that it is coming in from China and shipping is likely going to take a while. If you buy 2 items or more, you get 15% off of their already pretty reasonable prices, although we'll find out for sure when we see the actual jewelry. They are going to send me an exclusive code for my viewers that I asked for. I don't have it at the moment because I got this last night and they haven't had a chance to reply to me yet. But I will put it in the drop-down box and I will try to remember to pin it to the top of my comments. So be sure and check there. I don't know if that's an addition to the extra 15% or in place of, so check those 2 things and make sure you're getting the best deal. Okay, you ready to get into the unboxing? It actually came very well packaged, so I am excited to see this. I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see things well. I have a ring light on. If the ring light shows up in the glasses, I'm really sorry about that, but it was dim in here this morning. So here's the box. Looks like it has a little pull tab. I'm gonna pull it open. You're gonna get to see first. What have we got? So it looks like, oh, let me get that up where you can see it. That's going to be the ring and the necklace, I would suppose, are in here. I selected a ring and a necklace. There's little bags. Yeah, there's a little jewelry bag that you can put your things in if you'd like. I never use these. Do you use these? And right here is a little, oh, this is a polishing cloth. I know what that is because I have a daughter in the business. So that's kind of a nice little touch. And honestly, I would probably shove it down in the jewelry bag if I were to keep the jewelry bag with the jewelry in it. But I have a big jewelry wardrobe that I put everything in. This says it is a greeting card. So I think this is if you want to give it as a gift. Yeah, that's really nice. And then they've got a note on here. So let me read what this says real quick. Just check it over. Talking about how customer satisfaction is important, and they want you to be completely satisfied. And then read before removing the jewelry tag. Items cannot be returned if the jewelry tag is removed. So please carefully check the item and make sure it's it's the way you want it before removing the tag. And then it tells you how to store and when to remove it before bathing and swimming and things like that. So, and avoiding perfume. So this actually is pretty thorough information. Alrighty, what else is in here? Oh look, this is nice. They give you a little bag that you can actually drop the, let's see if the Let's see if we can drop the jewelry down in there. Because you know, most fine jewelry stores will gift wrap for you. Oh, perfect. And then you just put your extra things down in there with it. What a nice little gift. Okay, so far I'm impressed. Haven't seen the jewelry. So far I'm impressed. Okay, let's set all of this aside. Let's see what we've got in here. Whoops, oh, it fell out. Okay, so the box is ready for the ring, but they don't put it in there. I'm assuming that's to keep it nice and safe on shipping. So let's see this ring. Yeah, okay, so the ring, I asked him for a size 7 because I felt like a 7 would fit me best for demonstration purposes. This ring is originally listed, it says the original price is $189 and it's on sale for $69. And again, if you purchase 2 or more items, you get 15% off. It's a pretty ring. I'm probably gonna put this in a giveaway, guys. I'm gonna fill up a small or a medium priority mailbox, and when it gets full, I'm going to do a giveaway, and I might do it when we hit 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so let me show you the ring. Here it is on my hand. Oh, let me get, oh geez, that's harder than it looks. So there it is. I'm going to take it off in just a second. Oh, there we go. It is a pretty ring. It's got that big stone on the top. It's got little stones off on the side. I don't know if you can see that. And the elevation on it is not super high. And I like that because it stays down nice and low and it doesn't clip into things and tend to get caught and knocked off and all that. So it is a very pretty ring. Set that one aside. Let's see the next item. Let's see here, let's do it together. Oh, okay, it's a plastic bag. This is the necklace, of course. Now this one it actually is a legit necklace box. So that's good. So you can put them together and make them look pretty for someone. Oh, this is a bigger pendant than I thought. There we go. You're gonna see it before me. There's the necklace. So it says it's on a 16-inch chain, but it is an adjustable chain. It does have an extra couple inches at the end there where you can put it out. It is not as yellow as it looked on the website. It's not as yellow as it looked. It's a very pale yellow, which I'm glad for because I don't, even though topaz is my birthstone, I don't tend to wear topaz very often because I don't like the color of the stone. I always go with blue topaz and pretend like that is my birthstone. So this is supposed to have multiple colors around the edges, and I wasn't sure I liked that. The swirly part was supposed to have a ton of colors, and it doesn't. It's just clear, which I also like because I think it matches with more if it's clear. So let me try this on and we will see what it looks like. Here's what the necklace looks like on. I was really concerned that it was going to be too short because I saw on the website it said it was a 16-inch chain, but I think this is at least an 18-inch. I do believe I have it all the way out to the end. I do. So I think you can bring it up to a 16 or down to an 18. And 18 is my preferred chain length. Let me bring you in closer. Okay, so here's a little bit closer of the necklace. I think it's kind of pretty. There we go. That's it. I actually like this necklace. I think it's very pretty. So there you go. Karativa Jewelry. Oh, I got to show you. Let me back up because I got to show you the jewelry box. Hold on a minute, guys. Stop the video. I didn't know a few key things when I was recording. I got an email from them right after I was done. So I want to include this at this point, and then we'll get on with getting a closer look at the jewelry box. So first of all, I wanted you to see the jewelry a little closer up. I don't know that it came out real good before on me. There is the ring. I think it's so pretty. And then there's the necklace. It's really kind of it's a good size. Quite pretty, I think. Okay, so that's that, I also wanted to let you know that they've given me the promo code for 10% off. It's Nancy10, and Nancy is all capitals and there's no spaces. That will be in the drop-down box below, along with a link to their site. They also wanted me to let you know that they are doing a free ring sizer campaign because they found that a lot of people actually don't know the ring size of their finger. So they think you can take advantage of that, and they're going to give away a free ring sizer to anyone who participates. I'm assuming that information will be on their website, but I will link that down below too if it's needed. And there's going to be a chance for 10 people to win a customized piece of jewelry for Mother's Day with that campaign. So that's something that's really worth taking advantage of. Also, the music box price. I failed to mention that when I'm reviewing the music box. It is $49. You also can change the music to, they think they have 3 or 4 different selections, or you can download your own music to be put on the music box. That's pretty cool. Or you can choose no music at all. Okay, that is everything I wanted to tell you. Let's get on with getting a good look at that music box. Well, now let's take a look at our little jewelry box. It's a pretty little box. So there it is. Oh, that's very pretty. The pink. And it says it's customizable. I think it's customizable with the song. Let's see what the song says. It's a piano. So that is not your typical tinny sounding jewelry box. You know how they make the little tinkling sounds? This actually sounds like a piano. I don't know if you can hear that. Okay, that's kind of pretty. And then there's a spot in here for both the ring and the necklace. Let me put them in there and we'll see what those look like. Here we are. I've got it packaged up in here. Now, let me watch this. Isn't that pretty? And the music, I don't know if you can hear that, but when you take this all the way out, there we go. Oh, get me centered up there. There we are. Isn't that pretty with the ring and the necklace underneath? So there we go. That's a pretty presentation. And if you don't get a music box, and I do want to show you something about the music box, it's a little wobbly, just so you know. But then you have got boxes for presentation, and a bag to put the boxes in, and a card to sign to put in the bag. And then for your person you're giving it to, you have a little storage bag for the jewelry, and there's a polishing cloth and an envelope. This is very well done. Very pretty. I'm actually kind of impressed. Well, thank you very much for taking the time to watch my longer than I thought it would be review on Karativa Jewelry and Music Box. I am nothing if not verbose. I do appreciate you being here. If you like this video, give it a quick thumbs up. Comment down below if you would. I love the comments as always. Interacting with you guys is the funnest part of this whole thing for me. And if you found this valuable, if you enjoy unboxing, sprinkled in now with a little bit of lifestyle type of stuff, just a little bit, please subscribe. I'm always honored when someone subscribes. Okay, that's it. Have a good one. Bye-bye and be blessed.